Sahara Gaming, who is sponsoring this video, has sent me their latest creation, and it's a microphone. This is the SD2420 microphone, or better known as Sahara Mic 2. What we're going to do in this video, we're going to do an unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, and see how easy it is to connect to a headphone like this, or like this, or both. Because apparently this has been designed to connect to any headphones. So if you have an headphone that used to have a mic like this, see it's got a built-in microphone, and it's no longer working, you can use that one. Yeah, it's a money-saving tip. So like I said, we're going to do an unboxing, see how easy it is to install onto a headset, and then swap it over to the other ones and see if it's still sticky, and see exactly what you get for money. And then we're going to give it a test, and we're going to do a couple of tests. We're going to test it on my voice recorder, because I have a voice recorder. It's a Zoom H6, and also we're going to plug it into one of my computers and test it on that. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? This video is sponsored by Sahara Gaming. I've teamed up with them to bring you a £20 discount on their all-in-one water cooling system. Check out the link in the video description for more details. This discount will only last till September 2022. After that, you pay the normal price. So with that, let's get back to the video. It wasn't sealed, by the way. This is how it actually came, unsealed. I think I just saw that. Oh, so nice bit of impression. Yeah, Sahara Gaming on there. Nothing on the other side. So it comes in a nice little case, which is very nice. So you can put it away for safety. Microphone. Should be in there really, shouldn't it? But it wasn't. So microphone. Oh, actually, I did read earlier the length of the cables. Someone's going to ask me, I just know someone will ask me, well, how long's the cable, Yorkie? Well, it says here, attached 3-metre cable with 3.5mm jack. Okay, so now you know. And it also has cable clip and extra adhesive. So it should have more stickies. So we have instructions. Doesn't look like a lot of instructions. It should just be plug and play. It should be. Let's get everything out. Right, so we have extra 5 stickies. So they're 3Ms, very nice. We have some alcohol for cleaning off your headphones. So if you're going to stick it on there, for instance, you might want to clean it first so that it sticks really good. Yeah, get that out of the way. We have a spare connector. So what you could do, if you've got 2 headphones, you could have the connection on one and also another separate connection on the other. So you don't have to keep swapping them over. That's a good idea. And we have some little clips. Now, I've no idea what they do, but obviously they're for the cabling. Obviously. But no idea. So, let's get her open. Oh, and a little Velcro to hold it all together. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect it to one of my headphones and we're going to give it a little test, right? So give me a few seconds while I sort it all out. Right, connectivity. Put it on the headset. Very easy to do. I can't see anyone having any issues unless they've got like a bubbly surrounding and it doesn't stick very well. But the stickiness of this here is very good. Oh, and by the way, we are using this microphone right now. Yes, we are using this microphone, not my normal microphone. And I've had a listen to it already and I thought it was quite good. This is my audio recorder that I always use for 90% of my recordings, unless I do it on a computer or I'm testing a microphone. I'm normally plugged into this one all the time. Normally, that will be plugged into this little device, but for some reason when I plug it into there it doesn't work. Don't ask me why, but it doesn't. So I've had to plug it into this connection here, and it works fine. So quality of sound, like I said, I've already had a listen to it, and I thought, actually, that's pretty good. It's actually better than my wireless microphone that cost a lot more money. Well, at the time making this video, I don't actually know how much this actually costs, but I wouldn't have thought it'd be that expensive. One of the things I do like about Sahara Gaming, they try and give it a reasonable price, a sensible price. They don't try and overcharge you on products, even though the quality is pretty good. Their aim in life is to produce good quality products at a reasonable price, and hopefully this is one of them. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to see how easy it is to attach to my other headset rather than Sahara ones. Give me a second. Job done. Yeah, very easy. If you have two headsets, I would recommend that you put this on one and this one on another, so you can just swap them over. It saves you undoing it and then applying it again. That makes perfect sense. Yeah, very easy to do, and it should hold pretty well. Oops. Yeah, quite sticky, so you could use that more than once. Make sure you clean the surface before you actually stick it on there. I did clean it actually, just to make sure. Oops, I'm wandering off with the microphone, didn't I? Sorry about that. Yeah, make sure you clean the surface, and yeah, easy to use, was easy to set up. The only thing I did have an issue with was when I plugged it into there, for whatever reason, it's not making a proper contact. But like I said, I normally use this recorder for most of my recordings. It's a dedicated voice recorder, and it works extremely well. Very pleased with it. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this so far. Can't find any issues with it. I will test it on my computer as well, just to make sure it works. And something it does say in the manual, I did have a quick read of the manual, is should it not work, try plugging it into different connections, or or plug in a USB. You can get a USB adapter for something like this as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try it on one of my other computers, just to make sure it's working properly, and then I'm going to give you my final opinion. But so far, very pleased. I'm now testing it on one of my other computers. This is an AMD computer, and I've just plugged it in and it's recognised it straight away, no issues whatsoever, hopefully. And we are recording actually on the computer itself. We are not recording to my recorder, because I want to give it a proper test. Hopefully quality is alright. I can't see why it shouldn't be. So with that, if you're thinking about buying one, check out the link in the video description. Right, let's get back to Yorkie. First thing first, I fixed my little issue with this, and all it was, it needed a little bit of phantom power, and I thought, oh, is that it? Is that all I do? Yeah. But plugging it into a PC, it just, plug and play. No issue with that whatsoever. I don't know why that needed phantom power, because that didn't. I plugged it into there and it just worked. I thought, well, that's strange, isn't it? But either way, it worked. I've had a listen to the quality of sound, and yeah, I'm very pleased with the quality of sound. Nice and clear, audio's very good. One of the other things I didn't mention was the inline mute button. Where is it? It's here somewhere. Oh, this little baby here. Yeah, it's got an inline mute button. So you didn't hear that, did you? Well, hopefully not anyway. Yeah, inline mute button, I thought that, or switch, I thought that was very good actually. I forgot all about that. It might have been that's why it weren't working, because I forgot to use that, and that was probably on. But yeah, it's all working, everything's fine, I have no issues with it whatsoever. It's easy to use, easy to connect, plus if you have more than one headset, you can actually use the other connector and stick it on, like this one, stick it onto the other headsets and just leave it on there. So you just swap over the actual unit itself, unscrew, screw it back on onto the other one, job done. That way you ain't got to keep taking it off and putting it on. Makes perfect sense. What do you think? Yeah, look pretty good? Yeah? Definitely gets my thumbs up. I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. I will also find out the actual price of what they're going to retail it for. That will be in the video description as well. And yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether it gets your thumbs up. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.